Hi everyone. Today I'll guide you through the step-by-step process for implementing the face blur effect and local face recognition on GV VMS V20. Let's begin applying the face blur effect. Access the GV VMS 20 dashboard and navigate to the toolbar. Click on Configure. Then select Video Process. In the Setup dialog box, select IPCVA. Choose the camera to enable face detection, and click Settings. Choose the camera from the drop-down menu at the top, then enable face detection. Click the arrow next to face detection to adjust these settings. Click on the blur to enable the blur effect, which censors all detected faces. Click OK. Let's turn on the camera monitor to view the face blur effect. Yes, the face blur is functioning correctly. Now we will set up the local face recognition. To enable this feature, navigate to the face detection settings. Turn on the local face recognition feature. Select either Unknown Alert or the face group to trigger alerts. Note that local facial recognition doesn't support Schedule Alert. Set the global FR confidence level between 0 and 99. The higher the level, the more precise and strict the camera is at differentiating between similar faces in face recognition. I/O. Here is an option for select an output module and pin to be triggered upon face recognition. Invoke alarm. Select a computer alarm or click Browse to choose an audio file from your PC to play upon face recognition. Email. Enable email notifications to be sent upon face recognition. For this demonstration, we are enabling the email notification. Click OK. In the settings, enable recording, choose the frame rate, and set the recording duration in seconds. Here is the option for Live Draw Rect under Settings, which highlights detected faces on the live view when a face is detected. For this demonstration, we won't turn it on. Click OK. Turning on the camera monitor to view local face recognition. In the event list, verify that the Face ID is enabled in the filter function. When a face recognition event occurs, you can view live recognition details, including the person's enrolled and captured faces, name, face group, gender, age group, camera channel, and the time of recognition. Double-clicking on an event can play back the video. Let's check the email notification of the local face recognition. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.